So here up in the north, we've got our Welshpool office and we've got our Newtown office. So that gives me the flexibility of working out of two different bases. And also further south, we've got our Landod office, and further south, Brecon, that I like working out of as well. Powys is really good in being flexible to allow us to work at home as well. So that allows me to start work on time, finish work on time. I live in the north of Shropshire, and the travel time into work is much less than it was when I worked in the same county where I lived, because there's no motorways, there's no busy traffic. Might get stuck behind a tractor, but usually I can get here quicker. I'm not stuck in traffic jams. I quite like listening to the radio on the way back, listening that the M6 has got traffic jams, and I'm just sailing on through home. There's some excellent training available here. Within my first month of coming to Powys, our Head of Children's Services, Jan Coles, arranged a joint meeting with Cafcas, and we had a joint meeting with them. We were able to share ideas and we were able to share our way of working with families. So prior to coming to Powys, I've never worked with signs of safety, so it was a new way of working to me. So since I came here, you're inducted onto signs and safety training. There's signs and safety ambassadors within the team. We've got lots of people, senior managers and managers, including myself, extremely passionate about signs of safety. So another benefit of working for Powys is the investing in their staff, and that's something that I can really see is a positive change from other authorities that I've worked in. What I'd say to anybody who's thinking about applying for a job here and maybe put off thinking that it's such a long way, it really isn't, and that's because of the flexibility, again, of the different office space. Not mentioning flexible working hours, but there's flexible working hours. Please have a think about it, look on the website and apply now. Yes.